You can do
Left
it.
hand. Double hand.
Oh, your ring hurt. You
Okay.
can just make a handshake later.
Okay, ready. I think that's a good start. I'm
All right.
Charles Antis, CEO of Antis Roofing and Waterproofing in Irvine, California. Today's question on Roofer's Coffee Shop, Ava's going to give me, and Ava's my frequent guest.
How are you incorporating service and maintenance into your business, Charles?
Great question. Service and maintenance. How do we do it in our business? Well, a little fact about Antis Roofing, we were born doing service and maintenance. I didn't have any employees and I didn't have the ability to exercise large roofing jobs 30 years ago, but I did have the ability to solve everything that leaks from rain. And I would go to a management company and say, do you have an HOA that has a leak that nobody can solve? I'll do it. And when I solve it, you'll know I have talent. And that's how we built our business. And eventually we started selling re-roofs, but we learned that there was great value in providing maintenance. Can you imagine not providing or buying a Toyota and never getting the oil changed? That's what people end up doing, and the roof life is thrown away. And we see roof lives thrown away at 10, 15 years when they should go 30 years. A little fact that I learned after I joined the board of the National Roofing Contractors Association is that our landfills in this country are 20% filled with roofing materials. I think that's kind of a tragedy that we allow that to happen when we can prolong roof life. And when we prolong roof life, we allow the homeowner, those who we're selling to, or the business we're selling to preserve funds in their company or in their family. I think there's a great benefit to the environment, there's a great benefit to the consumer, but the last benefit is to you. If you're working to sell maintenance instead of just re-roofing, it really helps you in those lean periods because roofs, like cars, need maintenance. I love our maintenance department. It's what excites me. I love the fact when someone else is selling, you need a new roof for $1 million to get 30 years, when I can come in and say, no, I can get you 10 more years for $100,000. That excites me. The last thing I'll say is the Honda Center. The Honda Center was about to spend $2 to $3 million. That's where the Ducks play here in Orange County. And we were able to go in there for about 100 grand and solve over 30 leaks because their roof was not failing everywhere, even though they were getting bids for a new roof. We have a responsibility to preserve our environment and to take care of our consumer and to take care of our company and make it as solid as it can be. And that's why I love maintenance. What do you think? How'd we do?
Good.
High five? Thank you. Press the button.
You are a badass.
Badass.
Ooh, another high five. Thank you. Good job, Ava.